Hey guys, so today is a tutorial using the Viseart Grande Pro palette and the Pat McGrath No. 4 Decadence eyeshadow palette. And I'm also testing out a couple new products, concealer and foundation, which you will have seen in my previous video. But it is a full face tutorial, so you'll see the lip I put on and all of that. I hope that you enjoy, and if you're interested to see how I created this look, stick around. I prime my eyes using my Milani eye primer, and I'm going into Viseart with a fluffy brush from Wet n Wild. I'm going to set my eyes using a combination of these two shades. I've already done my brows, and I've primed my face using my Grande Gold face primer. Now with my Wayne Goss 17, I'm going into this shade. I'm starting to bring that through the crease, angling my brush upward so that I create a stricter line and pulling out towards the side of the face to elongate the shape. I'm pushing the brush into the eye socket, the deepest part of the eye, allowing the brush to flow naturally into that shape. Now with this lavender shade, I'm going to start to build up that color onto the actual lid, a little bit below that shape we've been making. Now for the fun shimmer, and then with a flat brush, this one is from Urban Decay Electric Palette. I'm going into the sky. I'm going to put that right on the center of the lid. And then with that Wayne Goss brush, I'm going to go into the deep purple and feather that right in on the outer half. Okay, and then with a bit of mascara, we are in business. The Dior. So right now I'm just using my Chikuhodo GSN 5. I'm gonna use my usual powder, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Concealer Powder. And I'll use the Morphe R1 something, the number has rubbed off, brush. Just a standard powder brush. Okay, for blush, I'm going to use the Too Faced Perfect Flush Blush in Peach Beach with a Wet n Wild brush. For highlighter, I'm going to go with my Dior from my friend Gabby. This one is the Dior Nude Air Luminizer No. 2. I think I'll do the Burberry Liquid Lip Velvet in Fawn Rose No. 9. And then I'm just going to spritz with my MAC Fix Plus. And then a little bit of my Skindinavia finishing spray. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed. If you are new, subscribe, join my Cake Face family, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.